an orchid.
Can you say who you are, first of all?
I'm Tenzin Raman.
And you're the son of Sasha,
Yeah.
who's got the exhibition of watercolours, of acrylic paintings.
That's an orchid.
And you're doing some photography now, aren't you?
That's an orchid in front.
Yeah.
This one is a damselfly.
Ah, yeah.
Well, it's a photograph of a damselfly that's sort of coloured over.
You've modified the photograph, haven't you, to get these
Yeah.
effects? It looks almost like a drawing. It's very nice.
And then these ones are leaves.
Oh, yes.
That would have been next to the dragonfly.
Yeah.
I found them interesting
Yeah.
on their own.
And then below it, you've got a couple of drawings. One of Spitfire, I can
This
see.
is a pencil viscera Spitfire,
Yeah.
and this is a fishing bay.
Oh yes. And they're all in the same room as Sasha's work, so they can be seen in the long gallery in St John's Hall.